If you've ever gone to the movies or a music festival, you should know that there are some rules. For example, not being allowed to take your own drinks or snacks into the venue. These rules help set boundaries. Similarly, in Swift, protocols allow you to create rules and set expectations using code. In this video, you'll learn how protocols act as a blueprint to define property and method requirements for class and struct instances. A protocol sets the required properties and methods that are needed for a specific task. You can think of a protocol as a blueprint. In construction, a blueprint doesn't build the building, it simply maps the overall design requirements that the builders need to follow. Protocols have a similar function in Swift and can be passed around so that other struct or class instances adopt the property and method requirements defined by it. Now that you're more familiar with what a protocol is, let's explore how you can implement your own in Swift. You define protocol by first typing the protocol keyword followed by the identifier and curly braces. In the protocol definition, between the curly braces, you define the property and method requirements. To define a property requirement, you type var, then the property identifier, followed by the property type and a pair of curly braces. Inside the curly braces, you type get to create a getter method. By declaring a getter method on a protocol property, you can declare the property as readable. If you want to make the protocol property writable, you type set to create a setter method. The syntax to define a method requirement is the same as defining a method, just without the curly braces and the body. You type func followed by the method identifier, parameters, and return type. And that is how you can define a protocol with property and method requirements. Later in this lesson, you'll explore the implementation of protocols in more detail. For now, all you have to remember is that a protocol is like a blueprint of required properties and methods for struct or class instances. Adopting a protocol means that the adoptee will have to conform to the protocol requirements.